mga OFW. Amoy UV na nakakahilo.
Girl, anong meron? Bakit bakanting-bakante ang airport?
Hi, tita.
Ano ba? Di ba titingin sa camera?
Hindi.
So ano lang, parang...
Ito lang.
okay.
Ano lang. Ang tawag doon parang Ang tawag
Behind the
doon?
scenes.
Hindi. Ibang parang B-rolls. Okay, so recording. Okay na, recording ka. Eh wait, baka wala kayo sa frame.
Ano nga tingnan yung seat?
Okay. Wait lang. Ano ako? Window seat. Ayan, nakapay tayo.
Nakatabi?
Ikaw lang aisle. Ako gitna. Ikaw lang window.
Window pero window, gitna. Tapos ako ay... Sino window? Ikaw?
Ikaw.
Ako?
Okay.
Ay, wait, pwede mo pala. Wait, birthday ko. Ay, hindi na natapos yung birthday ko rito. Pero at least matatakabi. Parang narinig ni ate to.
Buti naman. Let's go.
Hi guys. We're here na sa plane and
Kawa yung mga
Madam.
guys. Ayan, binibidyan ka, mga lugar.
Tao lang daw siya. So, what do you call this dish?
This is nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng. We paid 1 million
For this.
for all of this.
Kayos lang guys, dalawang ganito lang siya.
Bitin.
Nakakaano, parang pag nag-ahabol ka ng protein for the day, wala na, matinga ka lang.
Ang sarap. Parang fresh lumpia yung kanin guys. Pag
Pero
kinagat mo.
yung ano pa lang, fried rice pa lang, okay na.
Saka egg, no?
Gusto lang kala may tubig.
Parang nasa commercial.
Naubos ko na agad isang tusok.
Thanks, guys.
Pwede ko na nga to.
For memory, unlocked na.
Buti na lang, di ako nagpakamatay.
may experience ka pa pala, no?
There's more to life than me.
Kahit nung sa airport pa lang, parang saya-saya ako.
Natuwa ka na.
Ako, parang naano ako nung mag-check-in tayo. Ay,
Nung nakalagay ko
kukunin natin
ayaw.
tayo, kukunin natin boarding
Boarding
pass.
pass.
Ay, oo.
Doon ako na-hit ng reality. Nung una man lang feeling ko, hindi pa siya nagsisink in sa akin. Parang masaya lang ako nung birthday ko na parang nung magkakasama tayo sa table. Ganyan. Tapos nung pumunta ng happy birthday, nung nag-blow ng cake, parang grabe. Masaya ako. Pero hindi pa siya nagsisink in na alis tayo.
Nakapila nga tayo sa boarding, parang panaginip dito.
Oo, yun yung ba't ako
May
nandito?
naglalakad.
Bakit alas 11? Guys, may pasok pa ako bukas.
And first international, hindi tayo masyadong gumagala sa labas ng NCR, pero nag-Bali agad.
Actually guys, that's the thing. Ang tagal namin magkakaibigan.
13 years.
Yung labas namin ng NCR,
Rizal.
Rizal lang. So,
Taga sa
Calabarzon
amin
lang.
lang.
Yun ang pinakamalayo ata. Ngayon, nagtagaytay na tayo
Ay,
eh.
tagay tayo.
Pero ano yun?
Yun na yun.
Calabarzon
Cavite.
din. Calabarzon pa
Nag-AK
din.
na din tayo. Yun na.
Laguna.
Calabarzon pa din.
So, Cavite, Laguna. Muntik pa tayo mag-Batangas, di ba? Sayang.
Calabarzon pa rin yun.
Hindi, pero muntik na natin mahit lahat ng Calabarzon. Like, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas.
Ay, ba nagkakazon eh.
Wala na tayong pupuntahan sa Quezon. Tama na, tama na. Tama na yan.
Mamaya na yun.
1, 2, 3, pose. Side. Pa. Stop. It's so foggy. And we're going to our next location, which is an hour and a half from here. So hi everyone.
Ay, video pala. Hello.
We're here at Shucks, I forgot. Ulundano Temple. So, ay, hindi nga pala pwede mag-back view. Sige, ganyan na lang. Sana makita niyo. Kasi naka-face ka. So, here's my fit. And, andun na si Vance. Shucks. So, let's go. Grabe, ang lamig dito. Unlike kanina, sobrang init nung nasa, saan ba kami kanina? Pumunta kasi kami ng, sa ATV. And super init kanina. And we went north, I think, 1 hour drive, paakit ng paakyat. And here we are. Sayang, hindi ko na video yung lumipad na ibon.
Pabalikin natin.
Ay, ibon, bumalik ka.
Girl, Perry.
Naka-video yun. Naka-video ngayon.
Okay.
So, ayan sila. Vans. And look at this view. So nice. And very cold. Guys, it's so pretty here. Mga fruits pa. Look! So many flowers, tourists, and look at the view. Choice.
1, 2, 3, pose. 1, 2, 3, taas.
So, this is the chocolate factory. And everyone. Okay, magmamadalis lang mag-picture. Baka makasali muna ako. Chocolate. Oh, sorry. Free tasting. So, Vance will have
Out niya.
oat milk. Okay. Let me get coffee mocha kasi I love mocha. Okay. Ah, wala ko nakuha.
Like strawberry.
Ito na lang. Ayan.
Taste test lang.
Nakikita si Lyra doon.
Ice what?
Lyra, lapit ka na lang konti.
Nagre-record din siya.
Ay, okay. Paano mo? Let's try! Ay, shit ako. Ayun yung natutok sis. Ah, may natutok.
Ano to? Classic ice chocolate? Thoughts.
It blends
prayers.
so well.
No thoughts. Head empty.
Yung sourness ng strawberry
Sobrang
plus yung
balance.
creaminess ng chocolate.
Ano yung option dun sa chocolate? Creamy and
Dark.
dito wala akong diabetes.
And let's try
Alam ko
this
magubo na agad ako mamaya.
chocolate shake. I think.
Iced chocolate.
Iced chocolate shake.
Akala ko magkakulak tayo dito.
Akala ko din eh. Guys, kapag
Very-
nag... sige, tapos mo na yung... yung
Yeah,
taste test.
very chocolatey. Lasang-lasa mo yung cocoa.
Pero ano siya, malinamnam, no?
Kasi dapat pala nag-create na lang tayo.
Hindi ko kasi nakita eh.
Actually, nabasa ko siya pero parang hindi siya pumasok sa isip.
So, pag naka 300k kayo dito, of any of their products, 50% off yung chocolate drink.
Yeah, we bought like mga ganito.
So, we got this for 25. 50k lang. No, 27.5k
Yeah,
lang.
27.5.
Times niya sa
Tapos this
3.6.
is 55. Okay, original.
Like regular price.
Parang ano ko, sumakses ka bigla eh.
I want more.
Sarap na to.
Okay, wait lang. Hold
Feeling ko
on.
pumili pa kayo ng isa.
Andun na.
Hindi, pero okay na ako dito. I
Mas
can't
gusto ko to kaysa dito.
Gusto ko na uminom ng tubig.
too much chocolate. Kasi kanina din pa kami nag-taste test ng mga chocolate, like mga bits from the bar. And ang daming flavors.
Right.
So, ang favorite ko ay yung caramel crunch. Si Leila din caramel crunch. Si Vance.
Oat milk.
Pero ang binili niya.
Oat milk.
And
Caramel crunch.
Caramel crunch.
Ano yun siya?
Bali.
Balik creamy.
bali cream.
Alam ko kasi pistachio niya.
Doon ko na-realize na hindi pa ako super old. Hindi ko gusto yung Earl Grey and Rose.
Ako okay lang naman. Yung rose hindi ko gusto. Ayoko kasi talaga ng mabangong ano eh. Like yung parang hindi siya ano.
Eh, di ba yung Vietnam, like, puro mababango yung food?
Kaya nga hindi ko siya masyadong, kung sa food lang. I mean yung kinain natin, hindi siya masyadong mabango.
Pero it's
Yung
Vietnam
masarap,
na.
yung masarap doon, I mean yung mabango doon sa kinain natin, was just pho. Kasi yun yung hindi ko pinakagusto sa lahat na in-order natin. Pero gusto ko sila
Parang
lahat.
bread, di ba?
Pho yung
Ang hirap lang
yung clear
tumusok.
yung sauce. Ay, yung sabaw.
Yung parang
Kulay puti.
noodles.
Ano, so mabango siya. Pero yung like yung bun siya, hindi siya mabango. Tapos yun yung favorite ko.
Bunch siya ba yung parang pancit na
Oh,
sinasasaw
yung
sa
sinasaw
noodles?
natin.
Alam mo, nag-reco ng ganun sila, Trisha.
Ang sarap kasi talaga, di ba?
Parang gusto ko nga bumalik eh. Tara, ay,
Hindi, mag-Vietnam na lang tayo.
kasi kailan. Wow,
Mag-reroute tayo. Yeah. Ano oras ba?
tara na.
6:30.
Ano? Baka naging pala si Kuya.
Bye!
So here's the villa, Sammy's Canggu. So this is the kitchen area, I think. And then there's the pool area. Our room is upstairs. We go left and then take the upstairs. So here's the poolside area. We go up so that we can reach our room. And here's the pool area. So it looks really nice. And it's so cozy. Here's our room over there. So I'm gonna do a quick room tour. Okay, so quick room tour. Here's the full view of our first floor. We can hang our clothes here. And there's a locker. I don't think we'll be using that. So let's just close the door. Okay, so now we have the bathroom. Okay, looks clean. There are towels. Equipped with toiletries and a blower. That's nice. Then we have Vans over here. Putting our, yeah, the ones we bought.
In Jungle Gold.
And what can you say about the food?
Sobrang sarap. Sa ano kasi ata, Bedugul is like the area sa Bali na parang Baguio. So like malamig, tapos may strawberries sila. And ang sarap ng strawberries.
Truly.
Tapos pati yung chocolate. Like hindi siya yung matamis na matamis lang, right?
It's creamy and it blends well with the strawberries.
Yeah. Hindi siya yung matamis na chocolate. Lasa mo talaga yung chocolate niya.
Exactly.
Yes.
The cocoa. Okay, so here are free tea and I guess coffee. So we can also heat up our water.
Sweet.
Are we gonna drink? I think pwede.
Pwede.
Pwede. Our luggages. And this is gonna be our bed. Our dirty bed. So mga things lang namin dyan.
Anything but sleeping.
Yes. And kaso nandito yung TV.
Diyan na mag-get ready, ganyan.
Okay.
Ano panoorin mo sa gabi? Ako mag-cellphone lang.
Pinapagalitan na ako ni Mama. So, oo nga naman, I don't think we'll have enough time to...
Watch the TV.
Yeah. And also, we have the veranda over here. It looks really nice. Wait, I'll put it in a... Okay, dumilim. So, let's just... You can see the nature-ish vibe. It would have been better kung nasa pool view siya. Pero still, it's still nice. And then, dito kami sa taas matutulog. Kaming tatlo. So, woo! Ramdam mo ang Bali vibes with all the wooden floorings. So, eto na siya. Eto na yung bed namin. Kasya naman kami tatlo dyan. Okay, so overall, looks really good. I really like this place. So, ayun. We're gonna go get dinner na. Bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog!
So time check, it's currently 4:26 a.m. and we're driving to Mount Batur to take a jeepney. We're not gonna hike. Yeah, we have a sunrise tour and we're really excited. Pero sobrang nakakahilo na yung drive kasi ang daming curve na daan. Look.
At ang daming
Oh
taas
my
pa
God,
ba?
ang daming ganyan. Hilong-hilo na kami.
Tonight, if aircon not
So I
working,
hope-
it's flying tea.
But it worked already. It worked already.
Yes. My his will be smile. Yes. Not angry.
I really hope na worth it. I think worth it naman. Ang picture sa drive papunta na nakakahilo.
Okay,
With prayers!
yes.
So guys, we're here in... We're on our way to... sobrang lamig. Putang eh. Ka-excite naman. Sobrang lamig.
Itlong lira!
Pasig pa isa ba?
Hi guys! So,
Good morning!
Taas ng energy. Ito na, nakasakay na kami ng jeepney para umakyat na
This is 4x4.
Yeah, 4x4 para umakyat na sa Mount Batur. And it's so cold! Grabe! Wala akong jacket pero meron akong malong. Ay, something like that. And,
Just can you see my face?
I feel so happy right now na I'm here and I'm with the brand. So, I will show you a bit more later.
Ba't nakakaiyak?
So we're here currently sa...
Uy, kaya mo ba mag-back pa dito?
Just
to give us space.
Yes. Saglit lang. Parang... So we're here na at Mount Batur. We're just waiting for the sunrise. And we have our food. So we're gonna eat muna. Let's eat mangan.
Yes.
Mangan. Wow, inaano yun ah.
Makan?
Makan pala. Makan. Yes pala yung inaano niya. Okay, bye vlog.
Sorry guys.
So here's the morning view here in... I keep forgetting the place. Mount Batur. So, look at this. Ang daming truck. And here's Vans on the top of the view.
Enjoying the view.
And I'll insert the clip.
Wow! Ay, yung fresh mo
vlogger.
dito, Mi!
So, hi! Hello!
Hi, vlog. So beautiful.
That's like amazing.
Life is worth living.
1 a.m. Around that time.
So, this is the
I
morning
think I have a view here.
sa Mount Batur. We woke up ng 1 a.m. just to go here. We rode it 4x4.
Yeah.
Something
What
like
she
that.
said.
Yeah, it's worth it. Wait, but guys, di pa tayo nag-feature ha?
Guys, look. We're at the second location here at Black Lava. And ang daming nagpe-prenup. Ang cute ng mga couple. Okay, so sorry, medyo shaky. Dito talaga.
Medyo?
Kita nyo naman.
Medyo?
Medyo. Kunwari, kayang-kaya. This is nothing. So,
Normal na sabi ng mga Balinese.
after ng ilang yanin, alog, at kung ano-ano pa. So, ayan. So, pretty. Oh God. Okay na. Sige, mamaya na ulit. Pero, ayun, ang ganda. Oh my God. Pwede na tayo mag-fit check. Go.
1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, side. Diba?
So, we're here eating our lunch at, we don't know actually. Amara.
Breakfast.
Correction, breakfast. But it feels like lunch. So here's my food. This is Sunrise Batur. So yeah. Ay, lang ang pork chop.
Cocoa. Or chocolate.
Where?
This one.
Oh, yeah.
That the fruit, when it's ready, it's a yellow color. So you just need to pick it by hand and then just collect the seed inside. So the seed or the bean that we use for chocolate. So we have chocolate bar and chocolate powder from the cocoa.
Is the seed in the coffee visible?
This one.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, that one. It's become red, yeah, when it's ready.
And then you
Actually.
process it to become a bean?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then this we have mangosteen also the tree. Also you have in Philippines, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Quite
The
common.
skin here is very, very good for health. Look at her. Is that very good for cholesterol? Control your cholesterol, diabetes, and prevent cancer, yeah? Root, yeah?
This is...
This is the flower.
Okay.
The root is on the ground.
Okay.
The root we use for
Turmeric.
cooking, make it curry or yellow rice, and then also we use for herbal because that's good for anti-inflammation. Also good for immune system.
Mm.
So
Vanilla?
Yeah, vanilla. They use a lot make food. It's like a cake or ice cream.
Oh, interesting
This one.
texture. Ah, this is the vanilla?
This is vanilla tree.
Where do you get the
The bee,
the extract?
it's
like
from
the
the bee,
vanilla.
from the fruit. Later the vanilla that
Mm.
will grow a flower. So the flower is look like
Oops,
orchid.
oops.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's okay.
okay.
That's like a yellow color. So the flower that we do pollination by hand.
Mm.
After pollination, they will grow the stick of the vanilla. So the stick that one we dry. The stick is look like this, but it's longer, like a double like this.
Mm.
That you just dry become black. So the after black color, that's got the aroma, good aroma and good. So they're very popular in Thailand for bubble tea.
Also
The
in
flavor.
Philippines,
In
as
Philippines,
flavor.
right, yeah, as a
Yeah.
flavor bubble tea. They use the root actually, yeah. The root that's like a bit similar like a potato, it's like a cassava. Also the bark or the plant that you can use for vegetable. Make it soup. 45 minutes like that. You wanna do?
Can
One
I?
thing. Yeah, sit down there, please. Make a photo or video.
Yes.
So all of this we grow here, yeah. So all of this we use for cooking every day. But we have tea from the ginger and then turmeric. Is that very good for health?
Mm.
That's black pepper. So we have white pepper, and then here is we have a clove. Good for the throat and stomach problem. We have red rice tea for strong bone, and then lemongrass, good for skin or good for make a slim body.
You want that?
All good for diet, yeah. And then this
Uy, kinakain yung buhok ko.
Nocturnal siya guys like me. So gets ko yung stress kasi gising ka at this hour.
Kasi nakakawakan ka ng kung sino-sino. Sino may gusto nun? He's so cute.
Sorry, hindi.
Uy! Uy! Oh, sure. Ano lasa? This is what?
Rosella.
Ano yan? Una, petala?
Rosella. Rosella.
Rotala.
Very sweet. Very sweet. Very fruity.
Yeah.
Spicy.
I don't like ginger though. Can I skip?
It is spicy.
I'm gonna skip.
First, it tastes like ginger lang and then
I don't like spicy. I don't like ginger.
nakakagulat. I think I'm already
Rice tea.
awake.
Ano yan, taste? Lasang rice. Rice tea? Yeah, but it's nice.
Nagawin to si Papa sa bahay.
Really? Oh, nice.
Tututong niya ng rice. Yung bigas lang ah.
Ah, yeah. Can I try?
Pag masakit yung alam mo grasa.
Yeah. Lasang lemon.
Yes.
Lemon eh. Hindi naman. What's next? Next is Bali coffee. As in Bali coffee. Nawala doon sugar. Ito muna dapat.
you can do for chocolate or mali coffee.
Ah, chocolate. Okay. Parang barako lang. Ng Bali coffee. This.
Avocado.
Avocado. Ooh, I like avocado. Oh, tatang. Kaya kayo paglaban yan.
Ala eh. Amoy ko agad.
Ala eh. Girl, ang sarap. What's this? Nakabutin ko. Ano yan?
Avocado.
Avocado.
Gulat ako.
Actually, lang sa yung mga processed coffee. Pero masarap.
Parang, kung ano order mo sa coffee shop?
Oh, yeah. Yung lasa ng avocado coffee. Yung ba yung ano, MX3? MX3? Mukha kulay din ata.
Diba?
Giving MX3 vibes.
This one is turmeric and saffron.
Ah, lasang ano siya? Tea, fruit tea. Which one? Yung MX3?
Halo-halo.
Ako hindi pa ako nakatikim ng ano eh, ng mangosteen ata.
The avocado
Pero it's okay.
coffee is good for.
Basta siyang pomegranate. Ay,
pomegranate
yeah.
for hibiscus.
I think
Umorder.
we got it. This is saffron. Ano yan, Tay? Turmeric?
Saffron with turmeric. This one is the
Ayoko din ng turmeric eh.
Ayoko din yan.
Masarap yan.
Mga luya.
Okay lang, pero hindi ako mahilig sa turmeric. Sarap naman.
Medyo matabang chocolate.
Matabang na chocolate.
Sarap naman.
Normal lang, masang coco sa Pilipinas. Dito ako excited.
Tabang, okay.
Ang nasa likod.
Vanilla.
Vanilla yung
Ginseng.
kanya.
Ginseng.
Ginseng, and I'll have mochaccino. Oh, ito yung na-ion ko. Okay, so,
Okay lang. Ito, ano ito?
coconut coffee. Nasaan mo mocha?
Puton.
Naku, hindi.
Oh, and
Ang
yan.
sarap ng mocha.
May kalasa itong ano.
Buti ko na to.
Yung 3-in-1 sa Korea. Ano nga ulit brand doon? Yung color yellow. Yung parang Maxim.
UCC?
Hindi, Maxim. Itong coconut.
Oh.
Naubos, win.
I love you,
Ang
mocha
mochaccino.
coffee.
How much is the
Mochaccino.
avocado?
Sarap.
I vlog. We're supposed to be heading off to, I forgot, but we're gonna make rings. It's raining so hard. And I think I'm gonna sleep as soon. So we're going back. Ayan. Magugulat kayo kasi mukha ko mambabarang. Pero, that's how I look. Medyo hindi na nag-ayos. Oh, yung cute! Parang, those are the rings na gagawin ni Lira and Vans. So, we're gonna be doing a workshop for creating rings.
Yes, Ben.
Portrait lang natin.
Okay na. Ayan ulit.
Yay! Thank you! Parang cute si kuya, no?
Ha?
Parang cute si kuya.
Cute siya.
First ang bata.
So you want to get what? Fresh out again? Yeah, I can cook it again. That's for the cheesecake.
Ah, yun nga pala. Thank you.